An emergency stay kit is a collection of essential items that can help you survive and stay comfortable during unexpected events or natural disasters. It's important to be prepared for emergency situations, and having an emergency stay kit can help you do just that. At the outset, we encourage people to keep their emergency go kits and stay kits together in an easily accessible location in the house. If you've already watched our video on emergency go kits, you'll recognize that many of the items in the stay kit are the same. If you keep your go kit and stay kits together, you'll have the option of using some of the items in your go kit even if you end up staying or sheltering at home. Simply return items to the go kit when you're done using them so that it's ready to go if you need to evacuate. In addition, if you do need to evacuate and you have time and enough room, you can certainly bring your stay kit with you. If you only have moments to evacuate, just take your pre-built go kits with you and get out safely. Essentially, the stay kit is almost a duplicate of the go kit, except there is more room, so you can include more of certain items. Here's our guide on how to make an emergency stay kit. The first step in making an emergency stay kit is to choose the right container. You'll need something that is sturdy, waterproof, and easy to carry. A plastic container like this tub with a tight-fitting lid would be ideal in this case. Now, the items to include in your stay kit are water. You'll want at least 1 gallon of water per person per day for a minimum of 3 days. If you have a large family, consider something like these 5 to 7 gallon water containers and store them next to your stay kit. Include enough non-perishable food items to last for at least 3 days. This includes canned foods, granola bars, nuts, dried fruit. You can also consider freeze-dried meals like the ones we've covered in our emergency food video. Watch this video and learn about storing 3 days, 3 weeks, and 3 months worth of food. Include warm clothing and blankets to stay warm in case of cold weather. Sleeping bags can also be considered here. Include a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio to stay informed about emergency alerts and news. Include a flashlight and some extra batteries in case of power outages. Include basic first aid supplies such as bandages, antiseptic wipes, gauze, and tweezers. Again, for a more detailed first aid list, watch the Go Kit video. Include any prescription medications that you or your family members require. A whistle to signal for help. Garbage bags, plastic ties, moist towelettes, all for personal sanitation. Feminine hygiene supplies, diapers as needed. Include a multi-tool or utility knife to help with any necessary repairs or cutting. The multi-tool pliers can also be used to turn off utilities. You may want to include a wrench as well. It's important for you to know where your utility shutoffs are. Personal hygiene items, including items such as a toothbrush, toothpaste, and hand sanitizer. Depending on your family's needs and circumstances, you may need to include additional items in your emergency stay kit, like medications, assistive devices, and extra batteries for any powered medical equipment. Include some cash in small denominations, as ATMs may not be available in emergency situations. Include copies of important documents, such as identification cards, insurance policies, prescriptions, and emergency contact information. And if you have pets, include pet food, a leash, water for your pets, and any necessary medications. You should also include books, playing cards, or other entertainment items to keep yourself and your family occupied during this emergency situation. Very often in a disaster scenario, your power will be out. You can include portable power banks in your kit to charge small devices like phones, emergency radios, and LED lamps. If you have the means, we encourage you to consider larger alternative power sources like diesel, gas, or solar generators. Watch our video on alternative power supplies to see if any of these options are right for you. Once you've gathered all your supplies, store your emergency stay kit in a safe, accessible location. Make sure that everyone in your household knows where the kit is stored and how to use the supplies in case of an emergency. Additionally, Make sure to regularly check and update your emergency stay kit, replacing expired items and updating contact information as needed. In conclusion, making an emergency stay kit is an important step in preparing for unexpected situations. By following these steps, you'll have the essential supplies you need to stay safe and comfortable during an emergency. This wraps up another Build a Kit video in our Emergency Preparedness series. Check out our website to learn more about getting informed, making a plan, building a kit, and staying informed as it relates to your family's emergency preparedness.